show you how to make a paper plane. Boomerang paper aeroplane. But a warning is a warning. I will tell you warning. You should give a trial to that plane. Only first time you will do, it will not come back to you. So you will give trial and trial for 7, 8 days, 9 days, 10 days. Then it will come back. So now I have a A4 size paper. First, we have to fold the paper like that. Only straight. And now it easily do like that. It's done. And now it is like that. Like that. And then unfold the paper. And now you can look this part and this part. So with this part you do like that. Same colors, and I will turn the paper like that. And now fold this like that, straight like that. मेरा थोड़ा खराब लगता है. I will give a 10 times trial to it, then we will 10 years and hello, welcome to Stripes. And now today I will show you about boomerang paper plane. You just give trial. I not do trial to it. Example, it looks like this or like this. You have a A4 size paper. It is a straight A4 size paper. It is not A4 size paper. You have kept from newspaper. It will look like this, but it will come back to you. And it looks like this originally. And let's get started now. First we have this A4 size paper, and now if you can do this and if you can do straight, then do straight with it. Oh,